Day cruise. Anywhere the wind blows.
That's right. Are you guys all set, ready to go?
All set, ready to go.
Okay.
We just had our skipper's meeting and we're gonna head to Wave Point. It's pretty windy today. It's probably gusting up to 20, so we reefed the main. It's gonna be a nice sail, I believe, to Wave Point today.
There's a floating bog out there. It's pretty good size, about the size of a boat, I would say. Big grassy bog floating around. It's day 2 of our trip and Sunday. So a few of us all met in the boaters lounge this morning, and the way the wind's looking today, we're gonna leave here probably around 11 and head straight north because the wind's gonna clock around from the east and get us up to Menominee. So that's what we're gonna try to do. It's gonna be a light wind day, not like yesterday. And should be a nice day though. It shouldn't be quite as wavy or not like that. So head to Menominee today and then decide where we're going to go from there after that. So then we were talking to another guy in there in the boaters lounge. He's a fisherman, and right out here in this, right in the little bay right here, so they caught 60 perch in 2 days. So they limit out, it's 15 a piece. So apparently they come in here quite hard in the fall like this, or in the late summer.
I don't know. It was like
Getting ready to go to Menominee. Fueling up and getting pumped out.
Cheers.
Day 2.
That's good. Left waypoint this morning, about 11 o'clock or so, and we tried to sail as best we could, but the wind wasn't really conducive for sailing very well. It was always right on our nose. So we did a lot of motoring, a lot of relaxing, and right now we're just about to Menominee Marina. It's pretty much straight ahead of us. We got kind of a beam reach, kind of a reach altogether here. Doing about 3 knots. We're just gonna mosey on in, and that'll be our night. We'll stop at Menominee tonight, and then we don't know where we're gonna go tomorrow yet. Wait and see. I saw 3 ships come sailing in the morning. We had dinner tonight, and after dinner we discussed what's our plan for tomorrow. Originally we thought we'd go up to Cedar River and then from there go, maybe north, maybe back east or south. However, we started looking at the winds, and tomorrow is going to be a very windy day. Looking like, by noon we're probably looking at 22-mile-an-hour winds gusting to 27 to 30. We don't want to be caught in that. So the idea tomorrow is to get up early, and we're going to leave literally by 6 in the morning and try and get to Fish Creek so we don't go any further north. So if we get to Fish Creek, then we'll be in good shape. Hopefully we get there before noon. It's going to be blowing. We're going to have a beam reach the whole way. It looks like it's going to be a south wind. And then we'll have to pay attention from there forward, because it looks like, I think it was on, Saturday's supposed to be super windy, like I think near 40-mile-an-hour gusts. So we'll have to double check everything as we go. Of course, weather can change every day. So we'll just take it as it goes, and tomorrow will be most likely a Fish Creek run, and we'll see how it goes.
Mike and Mark decided to get up early and reef their sails. Morning, Mike.
Good morning. Reefing early.
Us too. I'm gonna walk down and check out this amazing sunrise. You guys gotta check this out. This is so pretty. Wow. Isn't that something?
I think we're all set.
Looks like the wind picked up.
Let's pick it up, yeah.
See you out there.
See you out there.
Yarkie's gonna get all of the slips. Don't forget the ball line. Yeah. Yep, I'll gap it. Thanks.
Quick hors d'oeuvre. Yeah. Sushi? Yeah.
That's all right.
Ooh, what's this?
We left Fish Creek about 11 o'clock, and this gave the guys plenty of time to fish for our fish fry.
Caught a couple bass.
Because the wind was going to be picking up again after today, we had one more night to spend someplace for our cruise. We decided that we would go to Nicolet Bay. We went with 2 other buddy boats and we rafted up, had supper together, and Mark made us margaritas. The next day we headed to Sturgeon Bay, where we would spend the next few days waiting for the wind to die down. It was super wavy and the wind was gusting up to 25 miles per hour. But as soon as we turned into the channel, we were pretty much able to sail all the way to Harbor Club Marina. We spent a lot of time hanging out with each other and catching up. It was just a great time. Somebody told me at one point there was 7 or 8 different conversations going on at the same time.
He never does. 17. And
we also caught a lot of fish. Well, I didn't catch a lot of fish, but the guys did, and Mary caught a lot of fish. How's it going, Steve?
There's a strong current here. We had a little one before down here, but one of the guys on dock here said these right between these 2 or 3 boats, they get a long perch the other day. So we're gonna try it.
We spent the next few days hanging out in town, going to the library, and we saw a local art exhibit. Thanks, Merle, for the tip. Towards the end of our Sturgeon Bay stay, we had a fabulous fish fry. Everybody brought something. We had tons of food. It was amazing. As always, all good things come to an end. The wind died down and we headed back to Windjammers.